How to download your TCC after it has been successfully approved from the Rev360 portal. In this video on TCC Business Registration Sholadrim 247 Consult, I'll be taking us through how we can download our TCC after it has been approved. You should know that before your TCC can be downloaded, you would have requested for it, which I have explained in my other videos, and you would have access to the approval. So once it has been approved, all you need to do is to come down to your dashboard by coming right to where you have TCC manager. Down here, if you look at, we have my profile, e-invoicing, self-tax filing, third-party tax filing and payment assessment, audit management, tax ledger, tax account and statement, refund management, operation and appeal. Then we have TCC manager. So your TCC manager is what you are going to click on. Give it time to load up. It will take you down to this particular interface where you'll be having this. So once you get to this place, you can see the TCC number is here. You have the duration, which is 12 months, which means this TCC can only be valuable within 1 year. Yes, the year you request and get it is the year you can make use of it. Anything outside that year, it is not valuable anymore. You cannot make use of it anymore. So it is an annual document that you will need. That is for that. Then you see your request dates and issue dates. The expiry date is also here, which is 1st of January 2027. So within the period of approval to the 31st of December of that year is when you can make use of this particular TCC that you are given presently. Then access year, which is this 2026, and status, it shows approved. Once you get this approved like this, you come to where you have action, and under the action you'll be seeing view and download. So you come here and click on this view and download. It will load up and boom, you will have this interface. So once you get to this place, all you need to do is to click on this download certificate, and once you hit the download certificate, it will take you boom and go straight to your phone gallery. Here you can see it has been downloaded. This is our tax clearance certificate known as TCC that has been downloaded on our phone. So from here you can print it out, you can use it for anything you want to use it for. So here, this is how you download your TCC from the NRS new portal known as Rev360. If this video has been helpful, if you find value in this video, don't forget to like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to join the family. And if you have any other question, feel free to drop your question in the comment section. I will be answering any question. Thank you. Welcome once again. I am Deborah Rafiu, the owner and the brain behind Sholadrim 247. I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.